Welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So I'm excited to share this year 2022 CaribAthon, which is going to be from June 8th and ends on June 18th. So this year you get a bonus day to read books by Caribbean author. So June is Caribbean Heritage Month in the US and how we celebrate it on this channel, as well as my co-host Karen from Run Rights Read. We celebrated in reading books written by Caribbean author or authors of Caribbean heritage. And I am excited because this year we decided to add a read along. So we've never done that. This is the third year we're doing this, and we've never done a group read. And this year we selected Pleasant View by Celeste Mohammed. She is a Trinidadian author, and last year I did start the book. Yeah, I got it. If you watch me, you know I did, and I got far. This book is different because, you know, look a stamp right here, so women never really look upon. It says a novel in story, so it reads like a short story, but it is surrounding an event. You know, mix up political drama, very raw, and different characters, but how they all are related to a situation. And this is how the story becomes very interesting, and how you can, like, how I stopped a few times because of how it's written, where each chapter is somebody new you book upon and somebody else mixed up in the whole situation. That's what I'm gonna give you. But just know, there's plenty of reviews on this because it was very popular when it came out last year. So, and a lot of people love it. For me, it's raw. It's very raw. It has some history of Trinidad and its relationship with, like, Venezuela and that kind of situation. There is nitty gritty. It's very nitty gritty, but I think you will enjoy the read, and how the story is told is very creative, and I like that that route the author took. So I am hoping that you guys will join us. If you've read this before, that's fine. We can, you just join in on discussion when we're done. And yeah, so this is what the group read is going to be for this year. Now, I am going to be doing a book haul where I share with you, I think I have about 10 Caribbean books. And I think 6 of them I was able to get from a bookstore, and I took you guys along with me. And then the rest I was able to hunt because some of those were actually just recently back in print. I am a big fan of older books that never got their shine. I do read a lot of new releases because they're so easy to get. You can find them in the store. But some of the older backlist books that I want to read from, especially authors from smaller islands, those are hard to get a hold of, and I'm always in a hunt for those. So I will share what I got. I'm excited, especially for 2, because 2 were romance, and I'm excited for those 2. And they're not long. I think I have some short story collection in the bunch as well, which I think would be great for the readathon. I haven't come up with my TBR yet, but I'm working on it, and hopefully I will be sharing that with you. There will be lots of videos. I'm trying to do about 3 videos per week in June, because I am extending this for myself personally. It's a challenge for myself to read all books by Caribbean author in June. So I know a lot of people can't do that, which is why the readathon is typically short, because it gives you those windows or those days that you can commit to reading some Caribbean books. So join me back. There will be more vlogs. There will be more dedicated videos to certain authors that I enjoy reading. Follow us also on Instagram. On Instagram, go and support Read Caribbean. That is host on there by Sydney. She does it all the time. And there will be a lot more books that you can see if you're not sure what you want to read. That will be on there. There's so many activity. It is all in the love of the Caribbean, of our authors that needs to get their shine, and we support and want to read, and Caribbean stories that you can enjoy with us. Some of them you never, might be brand new to you, or some of us might be very nostalgic and take us down to the Caribbean route. If you don't know, I am Jamaican as well as Karen, so we were born and raised in Jamaica. That is our root. And but I do read books that are not just Jamaican authors. I do like to branch out to other islands. So let me know what you guys plan on reading. Drop it down in the comment section, because I think that will be helpful for people who are looking for books to read. I've read different genres, so I think I'm going to do a playlist. I don't have a playlist, and I have so many, so I think I'm going to put a playlist and drop a few of my videos on Caribbean Books, that if you want to check those out and you want to select something. I did a lot, most of the two CaribAthon that I did read a lot of books that were short, and that will help you when we're talking under 200 page, easily. That will help you if you want to be able to read a couple of books during that short, 11 days. So yeah, let me know what you're reading, and I will check back with you Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. So yeah, so come back. There will be like I said, about 3 videos per week that I'm going to try to push out, and we're going to do this. So see you in the next one. Bye.